In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find symbols on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where you will find the Watch List panel. The Watch List panel is the area that helps you view and manage available trading instruments. At the top of the watch list, you will see a search field. Click inside that search field to activate it. This is where you can quickly look up any instrument that is available on the platform. Now type the name or symbol of the instrument you want to find. For example, you can enter URUSD or XAUUSD. As you type, the platform will begin showing matching trading instruments based on your search. Wait a moment for the results to appear clearly in the list. Once the matching symbols are displayed, review the search results carefully. Look for the exact trading instrument you want to open. This is useful when there are several similar symbols or related markets shown in the results. When you find the correct symbol, click on it to select it. After selecting the symbol, double-click it to open its chart. This will load the chart for that trading instrument, so you can begin reviewing its price action and related market information. After the chart opens, take a moment to review the chart itself along with any market details shown for that symbol. This helps confirm that you opened the correct trading instrument and allows you to continue with your analysis or trading setup. If you want to find more instruments, return to the search field in the watch list and repeat the same process. Type another name or symbol, wait for the results, and then select and open the next chart. You can continue this as many times as needed to locate additional trading symbols on the platform. Once you can do that, you have completed the process of finding symbols in Pepperstone Trader using the search field. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.